Hello, my name is Angela Princewell, and today I would like to talk to you about making changes to custody and access arrangements. Now, I see a lot of cases where parents agree in the beginning as to who should have custody of the children and who the access parents should be. Now, I must say that I'm speaking about custody in the sense of primary residence. As you might be aware, there could be custody from a legal perspective refers to the decision-making authority, but in this case I'm really talking about who gets primary residence of the children. And so sometimes you have another parent deciding, okay, I want to get more time with my children, which in this case is referred to as access. I want to have more access time, or even in some cases parents want to renegotiate an arrangement whereby they get the children 50% of the time. I would like to everybody to realize that when thinking about this, what must be topmost in people's minds has to be the best interests of the children. A lot of cases, people want to make these changes just to avoid paying child support. And while I recognize that financial considerations are very important, the best interest of the children needs to be topmost on people's minds. Now, for a 50-50 arrangement to work in the best interest of the children, you have to think about things like geography. So how close do the parents live to each other? Because if you're going to have the children traveling from one end of town to school and the other, it could be very stressful for the children. We also need parents that communicate well, because now they will be seeing each other probably more often, and both parents will definitely be more involved in school and things like that. So it will require a lot more for the parties to get along. And then, of course, the children involved as well. It is very stressful to have to, have two sets of toothbrushes, paint two sets of houses, and it's easier sometimes if the children know, okay, every other week or once a week I'm going over to the other parent's home, as opposed to now having to maintain two full-time residences. That is not to discourage anyone. Children, of course, are very resilient. They're stronger than we do give them credit for. But again, it's just to bring back this focus to the best interests of the children, and for whatever the reasons, secondary reasons are, it's always important that primarily all parties, including the party with primary residence as well as the party that's seeking the change, always remember that when anything has to do with the children, the best interest of the children should always be topmost in everyone's minds. So that's my tip for the day. To give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions, and good luck.